Hey guys, welcome back. So Apple is finally making some major changes with the upcoming iPhone 14 lineup, and we all were waiting for these changes to come with the upcoming premium iPhones from a long time. Fan-made renders are already started coming out, and we may see a final design leak in the upcoming months. And if you don't want to miss that update, make sure to subscribe to this channel and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So the iPhone 13 series was a major leap in terms of battery and performance, where till now there is not even a single device which can beat the iPhone 13 Pro Max in battery test and CPU performance. Now with the next gen iPhones, Apple will introduce the latest Bionic A16 chipset, where according to TSMC report, it will be based on TSMC's 3rd gen 5nm fabrication, means 22% better power efficiency and up to 11% performance boost over the 2nd gen 5nm technology present in the A15 CPU. Moreover, some latest leaks also says that the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max may come with a dedicated cooling system for better temperatures. As of now, there are no heating issues with the current gen iPhones while doing heavy gaming, but you may feel high temperatures while using the 5G network. So Apple have decided to add a vapor chamber cooling system, the most effective in the market to cool down the heat while using the 5G connection, which is again a good move by Apple. Moving on to the next update, a latest report from Korea says that the latest iPhone Pro models will be getting RAM upgrade from 6GB to 8GB, whereas last month we heard that the standard iPhone 14 and 14 Max will also be getting up to 6GB of RAM compared to the last gen, which only had 4GB. So most likely Apple wants to create a difference between the Pro models and non-Pro model here, but the thing is, it doesn't matter whether you get 8GB of RAM or 6GB of RAM, we all know we will be getting better optimized experience, and with the 8GB of RAM, which is pretty insane for an iPhone, it will only enhance the performance even more. Further, Apple is likely to add a 48 megapixel primary shooter on the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, which is a pretty insane move by Apple, and it will also enable 8K video recording option. As of now, we can only imagine how well Apple can optimize at this new sensor according to their taste, and this is the first time where Apple will be using more than 12 megapixel sensor on its iPhones. So yeah, let's see how this can work for the iPhones in the upcoming future. Also, Apple is planning to remove the physical SIM tray from its upcoming iPhone 14 models, which means users will be able to use 2 carriers at the same time but without any nano SIM slot. And this will be a huge headache for many people because with the eSIM, you have to visit the store to activate it on your device. But what are your thoughts upon this? Do let me know in the comment section. So there you go guys, these are the latest updates regarding the iPhone 14 lineup. If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.